Welcome friends. In this lesson, we will play with the operators. Operators plays a very important roles. It is used to manipulate the numbers. It is used to perform the logical reasoning. So here we will talk about the mathematical operators, comparison operators, assignment operators, and join operators. So first we will start with the mathematical operators. And we know these are plus, minus, multiplication, and division. Let's say we had operators and here plus operators, and we were trying to add 10 plus 10. So here when you type 10 plus 10 and when you click on this operator, it's a 20. Pretty easy. Let's do the same by using the subtraction. So here 5 minus 4, we know the output is 1. So in this way you can use the mathematical operators to perform the calculations. Let's do the same with the multiplication. And we know 2 into 3 is 6. If we do the same by using the division, let's say we will take a number, let's say 4 divided by 2, we know the answer is 2. So here we are manually giving an input of a numbers. That is, for the addition we are using 10, 12. For subtraction we are using 5, 4. For multiplication we are using 2, 3, and for the division we are using 4, 2. You can also assign, you can also put this all values in a variable. So let me go to the variable section. Click on make a variables and give it a name. Let's say the x. So we were going to change the value of x by giving some kind of inputs. Let me take one more variable, let's say the y. And here we are having the y. So instead of typing manually, we will give the value to the x and we will replace the manual value with the x and y. Let's say when you click on the x here, you will get a slider and you can slide the value. Let's say the value of x is 20 and I will do the same with the y, and let's say the value of y is 5. Now, instead of using the manual numbers, you can replace this 10, 12, 5, 4, 2, 3 and 4, 2 with x and y. And this is pretty simple, my friend. Now the variable has been created. Just drag and drop this x and y instead of the two manual values that you used earlier. In case the plus, I'm using x instead of 10 and y instead of 10. So we know the value of x is 20 and value of y is 5. The answer is 25. Same you can do with the rest of the operators. Let's say 5 x minus y, that is 20 minus 5 is 15. Same we can do with the multiplication, that is 20 multiply to 5. We know it is going to give 100. Same you can do with the divisions. So x divided by y, we were having the 4. So this is very simple, my friend. You can use these operators, and if you increase the value of x and y from the slider, the value in the mathematical operator is changed. So if I use x as a 50s and y as a 10, we know the x plus y is 60. Same way, x minus y is 40. X multiplied by y is 500. X divided by y is 5. Try it by yourself, my friend. It is very simple to use these mathematical operators. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Meet you in the next chapter.